Ihang ako eh. Magkuan ko ha. Mag-English, Bisaya. English, Bisaya. 5. In Arabic, kamsa. In English, 5. In Bisaya, 5. In Tagalog, 5. Bisaya, 5. Tagalog, 5. Arabic, kamsa. English, 5. So, mag-English, Bisaya ko. The 5 na ako ba? 5 na ako. May 5 na ako. English man na. Na ako yung 5. Na ako yung 5. Ha? Akong i-translate ha. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That is called sing. Ana, 5. 5. I'm singing. What? Give me the music. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? Sing. I'm singing. I'm singing. 5. Kamsa. Kamsa real. 5 pesos. 5 pesos. 5 piso. That is called money. But I will translate it. That's all. 5. Singing. Ana, I'm singing. Kumakanta ako. Tagalog. Kaya, bye.